How to fix Facebook Lite not responding. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix if your Facebook Lite application is not responding. So when you try to open your Facebook Lite application and it suddenly keeps taking you back to home screen, or it simply displays the message saying it's not responding currently, then what you can do is just head over to your settings. So once you're inside your settings, just scroll all the way down until you see this apps option. So tap on it, and from over here you just have to locate your Facebook Lite application. So let me just locate my Facebook Lite application. So once I locate it, just tap on it, and from over here just head over to settings and just make sure you have cleared your case. And in case you want to completely remove your data, you can also clear your data from over here and just click on clear. So once you do all of that, you might have to re-log in with your login credentials under your Facebook Lite, and once you re-log in with your Facebook Lite credentials, you might be successfully logged into your account. So if that's still not working for you, then the last option is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Facebook Lite. And once you're inside your Facebook Lite, just make sure you click on uninstall and reinstall your application from over here. And then once again you will have to enter your login credentials. Then you should be successfully logged into your Facebook account inside Facebook Lite. So that is how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.